Presentation of our today's special. Chad, it starts with the idea that we're heading into the summer months.
Yeah.
We get very hot and bothered. We're looking for a solution to keep cool. Along come Bell+Howell.
That's right, because it's, I mean, if you live in Florida, you know by the time June or July comes, if you see somebody outside, they don't actually live here. They're a tourist. Because we understand what the heat is like, but every summer, doesn't it feel like it gets a little hotter every single summer? You get a little more sweaty, right? More hot flashes are coming. You gotta cool down. But you also want to save money on your AC bill. That socket fan, put it next to that vent. If you have a light socket next to where your AC or even your heat in the winter come out of that vent, put it, allow it to circulate the air more for you. Your HVAC system's gonna work better. It's gonna circulate the air a lot better, let me just say it that way. Your air purifiers need the air circulated so it can capture things as it travels by it. Everything from your pets to the humans in your household, even the plants, benefit from circulated air. No more of that musty, nasty, stale smell in the basement and even in the pantry. If you're blessed to have a walk-in closet and you get dressed in that walk-in closet, having a breeze makes your skin feel better. And if you're gonna get out of a shower and you're gonna put your makeup on and you're gonna moisturize and do all the beauty routines that we say you should do, you want to have that clean, cool, dry skin before you actually apply all of those beauty routine products. Why? Because then your skin can actually absorb them rather than the sweat trying to come out while you are trying to put things on.
It's something that I think we can all relate to. It's just being too hot. We don't want to be too hot. So what fans do we have? We can go spend a couple $100, get a fan from the home store and get somebody
$200? They're way more than that.
For a cheaper one.
Oh, sure. Like, wait, what?
But you hang on, you haven't installed it yet. You got to pay for somebody to install it. So you're hundreds of dollars on a good day, Chad. You're not $39.99 and installing it yourself because it simply screws into a light socket. That's what's brilliant about this.
We have sold light bulbs that cost this price.
Yes, we have.
And now you have a fan and a light bulb and an extender, okay? And I keep looking at the fan because I'm like, how far is it from me? Because the breeze is so strong. And we point this out because it's way out in front of the bed. It's even past like the end of the bed through a thing. It's just a camera angle you're seeing. I'm way back here at the end of the bed, so as Adam, I can feel that breeze way back here. Of course I can. Now, it's nighttime, we're gonna go to bed. Just turn the light off. The fan still runs. You don't have to worry about, is it gonna be too bright for my bedroom? You can use your normal nightside bedside tables and just have the breeze. Okay, you can't see us, right? There's low, there's medium, and then there's 1,000 lumens of super duper bright light. That's gonna come in the most handy in those workshops, those garages, those sheds. We know that. You don't have to crank it up that high in the light. You don't have to crank it up that high in the fan. We just know there's so many situations where you can use this because it's any light socket that you can now make a ceiling fan. We had to make it so customizable it would work for all of America when we presented this product here.
It's a universal product.
Yes, it had to be.
It's so inexpensive.
Oh, sorry to interrupt. In HSN, to allow us to launch this as a today's special, we had to make sure everyone was covered.
Well, it is, and I can tell you 21,000 sold. If you want the black, I have 300 left.
Oh, my.
21,000 sold. In the black, there are 300 left. The white is the best seller. The white is the best seller. We're 20 minutes till midnight. People have been watching Chad all day long, watching the presentations. If you are tempted, this is the moment to pounce. We're going to get it sent straight out to you. We have flex pay of $8. If you buy two of them, that's $16, and you could put one in the bedroom, you could put one in the bathroom, wherever there is a light socket. Unscrew the light bulb and screw in the socket ceiling fan, and you just really installed yourself a high-power, high-performing 5-speed fan that will change your summer. It will have the air moving and circulating. Things will feel fresher. You'll be able to relax after a hot, hot, hot summer's day and feel refreshed, certainly. On an evening, on a morning, you can have that fan work for you endlessly. Remember, you're going to operate it like you would do the light switch. So the light switch that you use to turn on the light, you use that to turn it on or off. It remembers the last setting. And then if you want to further change the setting, you're going to use the remote control that Chad has been using as well. We're going to head back over here since time is of the essence. Close to 600-700 orders coming through. We are busy. I'm excited to see you grabbing this. I think the perception, Chad, if we're all friends here, so I think it's important we talk openly. We all appreciate the idea of being cool and not being hot. We know that having a fan certainly is going to make the summertime more bearable. But there are those of us that are watching TV and seeing a fan that is a fraction of the size of regular fans and wondering if this is too small to be powerful enough, if this is too small to have the performance that we need to feel it. And Chad, to that you say what?
Engineers were very intelligent. Bell+Howell's been around 117 years. We have the capability to hire the best of the best to manufacture and design the products for us. Okay, why are the blades so short? Number one question I think I've gotten today, because they are quite little, but very mighty, because your walls are very close to your, like this problem. Let's just use this as an example. Your light socket is right here on your ceiling, right? Your wall is right here. So if the blades were too long, it'd hit your wall, it wouldn't work. So we had to design blades that were short enough to not hit your wall, but being able to angle them in a position to give you that speed. The engineers used a lot of big words. I don't have those in my repertoire right now, okay? Just know they're angled in the precise way where you never have to worry about it. You're gonna get the speed of the wind that you want, and I call it wind because it's real, without ever having to worry about hitting a wall or a pillar or anything in your house. Every light socket is like standard to be this far away from something just for wiring purposes. And so you're covered in every situation. It goes right back to that point we made. It had to be universal for every house in America, for every customer with the customization that we had. And to get the extenders, we said, let's just give you a second extender in case it goes even longer. Adam, we had some market data coming into this today's special because of a very short inventory we had last year in the big box stores. Everyone picked up 2 or 3 because once you placed the first one, you came right back to the store to get a second or a third.
And I think that's the experience that when somebody gets it home and they do try it, they're sold on it. So I would say this, for anybody watching and wondering, is this powerful enough? I'll frame it this way. There is no part of me that is in any way, shape or form worried that you will not think this is powerful enough. That is not a concern at all. It's not even on my mind. It's way more powerful than you think it is. I mean, again, I'm so used to it now because I've presented it 4 times today. Whether it's up on the ceiling, whether it's right next to me, whether I'm sat 6, 8, 9, 10 feet away from it, from one corner of the room to the other, it is powerful. You can put it on level 1, 2, or 3, and it's going to be powerful enough. You go to the maximum power, and it's going to blow you away. I mean, it really is phenomenal. So don't let that be in any way holding you back. It is an instant fan in any room of your house. We like to sit outside. Maybe it's a covered lanai, a sunroom. It gets hot. Let's put this out there. Oh my gosh, what a difference this is going to make. That attic, that basement, it's scalding in there as the sun beats down. Any room. Your bedroom, just put one in your bedroom. You're gonna have a fan and a light that's gonna keep you cool during the night. And again, I go to the price, it's $39 and change. If you want the black, just a few dozen now remain before it is sold out. 21,000 sold, final few dozen in black. This is the white, you can see the remote controls, they're the extenders. We're used to innovations from Bell+Howell. This one has resonated in a very, very big way. It's captured our attention because it's something we've really never seen before, Chad.
We love new. We've won awards for our innovation. And if you're one of those customers who's on the fence saying, I don't need one more remote control, I don't need one more thing to do in my house, I need no more technology, you already have a light in that socket. You just need to replace it. And you don't have to use the remote after you set it the first time. You just go over to the light switch and you use the light switch like you always have. What you're getting is the benefit of air circulation with the light that you already have in your home, right? You're gonna have something there anyway. You might as well make it the latest and greatest technology, probably save on your energy bill because this is LEDs, and get the circulation to keep that breeze going through your home all summer long to avoid those hot, hot, hot temperatures that are already here, and it's only April 29th.
That's the nice thing about the Today Special happening now, is that you're gonna have it ready for the entire season. It has only just begun, and some of those temperatures that you're seeing are, I mean, they're toasty. They're really hot, and it's only gonna get hotter. Stay cool, stay fresh, and stay happy and smiley with the Bell+Howell socket fan. Thank you for all of your orders. We see you. When you get it home, please leave a review. Tell your friends and family. They'll be able to come back and shop for it later this year. But you got it at the best price ever, and also anywhere that we have found in the United States. Chad, to the whole team, thank you, my friend.
Thank you, everyone who purchased it today. Please write a review when you get it home and tell us how it blew you away.
There it is. That's the promise we're making. Chad, we'll see you real soon.
I hope so.
I'm going to see you tomorrow,
I'm
actually.
asleep. Good night, everybody.
Chad needs a rest. He needs to lay down. I want to invite you to be a part of our family with our HSN credit card. VIP perks and benefits, and I can save you $10 off this today's special or any single item purchase if you call and apply today on 1-800-695-1418. That's 1-800-695-1418 to find out more about the HSN credit card. So we have come to the end of our show.